Assalamu alaikum, friends. Today we are making chicken macaroni. So let's start the recipe.
Please subscribe my channel, press bell icon.
Boiling water. Take a 1 packet elbow macaroni, add in a boiling water. Add a tablespoon of cooking oil in boiling water. Add a tablespoon of salt in boiling water. Mixed it with spoon. Cover cooking part with lid. Take a cooking part. 1/3 cup of cooking oil. A tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry ginger garlic paste color change to transparent. $150 grams of boneless chicken. Chicken cut in julienne shape. Salt according to your taste. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. 1/4 cup water. Mixed it well. Cover with lid. 2 carrots cut in cubes. Mixed well. Cover cooking part with lid. ½ teaspoon black pepper. 3 tablespoons of tomatoes ketchup. Mixed well. One capsicum cut in cubes. 1 onion cut in cubes. 1/2 teaspoon oregano. Mixed well. Cover cooking part with lid. Chicken and vegetables are well tender. Add boiled elbow macaroni. Mixed well. Dish out the elbow macaroni in a platter.
Delish elbow macaroni is ready to eat.